Increase productivity by placing native Photoshop and Illustrator files into FrameMaker 12. FrameMaker imports an impressive number of print and web graphics formats, but one way to squeeze more out of your TechCom effort is to reduce time spent managing your graphics files. If you have either Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator installed on your system, you can benefit from FrameMaker's built-in integration with these applications. With Photoshop, placing native PSD files into FrameMaker saves time right off the bat. You're eliminating export to formats like TIFF or JPEG and reducing the number of files you need to manage. Placing a PSD is the same as any other file. Just choose File, Import File, and select the PSD you want to place. And here's a tip. You can also launch Photoshop directly from the FrameMaker file menu even if you don't yet have a file ready to import. Using a PSD file retains the full quality of the image, whereas interchange formats can apply compression to reduce file size, resulting in image quality loss. Interchange formats also simplify the contents of the file, reducing your access to layers, edits, and other working material. Once you've placed PSD and other bitmap graphics into FrameMaker files, you can right-click on the image to edit in Photoshop, launching the application and opening the file in one step. Here I'll make some quick changes to the Photoshop file. First, I'll change the crop and rotation. Then change visibility of some of the layers in the file to give it a different look. When you're done, saving the image in Photoshop will automatically update the graphic in FrameMaker. FrameMaker imports an impressive number of vector file formats as well. But as with native Photoshop files, working with Illustrator.ai files provides additional benefits. Placing Illustrator's .ai format saves you the time and effort of saving an export version of the file after you've created your final artwork, because AI imports directly into FrameMaker 12. Just choose File, Import File to select an Illustrator.ai file and you're done. Remember, just like Photoshop, you can launch Illustrator from FrameMaker's file menu, letting you create new artwork or open existing files faster than ever before. As with Photoshop, right-click on the image in FrameMaker, this time choosing Edit with Illustrator. FrameMaker will launch Illustrator, or switch to it if it's already open, and open the file you specified. There's no chasing down the working file or trying to muddle through a file that's lost any organization that you'd created within it. Here, I'll make changes to the position and visibility of the artwork. The Layers panel makes this easy. After I'm done, I just do a regular save on the document to update the file imported into FrameMaker automatically. To learn more about Photoshop and Illustrator integration in FrameMaker, and other features in Adobe's Technical Communication Suite 5, contact Adobe or a certified training provider like TechCom Tools today.